Yo, what's up guys? This is my 2003 Acura RSX Type S. It is Kraftwerk Supercharged. You can see the Mishimoto intercooler there. It makes about 350 horsepower. Stock engine, stock transmission, runs E85, 1000cc injectors, upgraded fuel pump, AEM 340 I believe. It's on RPF 1s. Got the Anointed Arrow wide body kit with 255s in the front. First gear still doesn't hook, but it makes it a little bit better. I got the Toyo R1R 200 treadwears. It's on BC coilovers, Integra Type R front control arms, Willwood front brakes, Cusco front sway bar, and then it's got a Progress in the rear. I don't know if we'll be able to see it, but anyways, this video is going to be about the exhaust. Currently it's on a 3-inch catback that's custom. It's got a vibrant resonator, vibrant muffler. I made it myself. And then the header, which I was lucky enough to pick up off of someone who had it off of a Type R front clip, is a Toda header. It's one of the rarest headers for these cars, or any Hondas in general, and it's really rare because it's one of the only true equal length designs. So it gives the car a very unique high revving, like Formula One sound. I mean, it's a 4-cylinder, it's not going to be, you know, Formula One, but it sounds very, very high pitched and it sings. It makes a musical note, if that makes sense. But in my opinion, it's one of the best sounding K-Series Hondas that I've ever heard. And yeah, I just want to show you guys what it sounds like. So we'll start it up. Currently running K-Pro from Hondata version 4 with the Bluetooth, so I can use my phone to see all the gauges and whatnot. I'll get some outside clips of how the car sounds right now. Able to like fully show the exhaust that well right there, but I have some clips of me like ripping through the canyons earlier, so I'll probably throw that in. get a couple pulls on my way home. The speed sign just had a frowny face. Oh no. That's how you know you're doing something bad. When the signs just start being disappointed in you. Oh, I thought I was gonna make that light. There's an unwritten rule for car guys. Whenever there is a tunnel, you actually have to downshift. And if you don't, well, you can't, because it's just physically impossible. So that was a cop. Yeah, I don't know, I just wanted to make a quick little video, show you guys what the car sounds like with the new header. Probably gonna end it here, so if you enjoyed the video, drop a like, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.